हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। तो आज के हम इस वीडियो में करने वाले हैं क्लास 9th एसएस का चैप्टर नंबर 3 मूवमेंट टूवर्ड न्यू वर्ल्ड। स्टार्ट करते हैं चैप्टर। पार्ट 2 नोट्स है। वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 एंड आउटलाइन। On one side was the group of allied nation led by England and France. On the other side was group of Axis nation comprising Germany, Italy and Japan. Second point, Japan attacked the American Navy and Pearl Harbor. As a result, America gave up on its neutral stand and retaliated. It joined allied nations, thus making it stronger. Third point, America dropped atom bombs on the Japanese two cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, in order to stop Japan from moving any further. 124,000 Japanese cities lost their lives, and there was absolute destruction. Next point है, Japan surrendered 11th August 1945 and World War II come to the end. Effect of World War II, immediate effect. First है economic effect. America had spent $350 billion and other nation had spent more than $1,000 billion. Second point है, England lost its property worth 2,000 crore and about Germany one can't imagine. Third point है, nations gave more importance to the produce of arms and ammunition. So there was a scarcity of things for basic needs. Production reduced, inflation increased, and people were struggled for livelihood. Fourth है, the nation of the world were pushed into an economic depression. There were major changes in the world politics and economy. सेकेंड आपका इमीडिएट आता है, इमीडिएट कॉसेस में सेकेंड, कम्युनिज्म इन चाइना. मेनी नेशन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड वेर इम्प्रेस्ड बाय द वे रसिया हैड मेड अ फास्ट प्रोग्रेस विथ हिज कम्युनिस्ट मेजर्स. विथ द बोल्शेविक रिवॉल्यूशन 1917. China too was impressed. Japan had come weak after the Second World War. सेकेंड आपका पॉइंट आता है, टेकिंग एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस माओ से टंग इस्टाब्लिश्ड कम्युनिस्ट रूल इन 1949 एट द एंड ऑफ द रिवॉल्यूशन इन चाइना. थर्ड आपका इमीडिएट कस आता है, द बिगिनिंग ऑफ कोल्ड वॉर लॉन्ग टर्म इफेक्ट. आफ्टर द वर्ल्ड वॉर टू द वर्ल्ड वॉज डिवाइडेड इंटू टू सुपर पावर जैसे अमेरिका एंड रसिया. फर्स्ट पॉइंट है, thus the democratic America and the communist Russia become mutually opposite groups. Other small nations of the world joined these two groups according to their convenience. अब आता है यूनाइटेड नेशन. फर्स्ट पॉइंट है, लीग ऑफ नेशन were formed in order to establish world peace. Second point, at the end of the World War II, on 24th October 1945, the United Nations were established with the purpose of peace, security, and coexistence in the world. Its headquarters was to be in New York. Third point, the American President Roosevelt made four important announcements regarding freedom while giving this message to the American Congress with the intention of the human freedom, peace and security. Freedom of speech and thought. Second है freedom of religion. Third है economic freedom and fourth है right to freedom from fear. Next point, later President Roosevelt and the British Prime Minister Churchill prepared an eight-point agreement while they were on a ship in the Atlantic Ocean, which later come to be known as the Atlantic Agreement. Next point, the foreign ministers of Britain, America, Russia and China met in Moscow for world peace. which came to be known as the Moscow Declaration. Next point, in November 1943, three superpowers held a conference in Tehran. The representatives of 50 nations prepared the agreement for the United Nations at Washington, September 1944. On October 24, 1945, and the 51 members nation declared the establishment of United Nations. India is also a part of it. सेकंड पॉइंट है, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है आपका, सिंस देन 24 अक्टूबर इज सेलिब्रेटेड एज द यूनाइटेड नेशन डे ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. प्रेजेंटली 193 नेशंस आर मेंबर ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशंस. नाउ अब आता है ऑर्गन ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशन. देर आर 6 प्रिंसिपल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशंस. फर्स्ट है जनरल असेंबली, सेकेंड है सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल, थर्ड है इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल काउंसिल, फोर्थ है ट्रस्टीशिप काउंसिल, फिफ्थ है इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस एंड सिक्स्थ है सेक्रेटेरिएट. नाउ अब आता है एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द ऑर्गन ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशन. फर्स्ट है जनरल असेंबली. जनरल असेंबली इज द बिगेस्ट ऑर्गन ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशन इन द जनरल असेंबली. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है, एवरी नेशन can send maximum 5 representatives to this, but during election only one vote of each country is counted. सेकेंड पॉइंट है आपका सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल. देर आर 5 परमानेंट मेंबर इन दिस, विच अमेरिका, ब्रिटेन, फ्रांस, रसिया एंड चाइना. अदर 10 countries are not permanent members. This power of the 5 permanent member is called veto or right to deny. Russia has used this veto power maximum number of times. Third है economic and social council. This council is also used ECOSOC. The General Assembly appoints 2/3 of its retiring members for 3 years. WHO, World Health Organization, IMF, International Monetary Fund, FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization, ILO, International Labour Organization, UNICEF, United Nations International Children Emergency Fund, UNESCO, UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. फोर्थ है ट्रस्टीशिप काउंसिल. There are 5 permanent member nation in this council. It oversees matter pertaining to nations that had not acquired independence and are under some provisions previous mandated. Also, nations defeated in the Second World War as well as its socially, economic, political development. International Court of Justice. Its headquarters is in the city of Hague, Netherlands. There are 15 judges in it, who are appointed for 9 years. Secretariat. The office of the Secretary General of the United Nations is called the Secretariat. The General Assembly appoints the Secretary General for 5 years. Next point, secretaries, administrators, assistants, translators, and experts are also appointed to help the Secretary General. The Secretariat is situated in New York. यहाँ पे आपका ये पार्ट 2 ख़त्म होता है. इसी के साथ आपका ये पूरा चैप्टर का नोट्स भी ख़त्म होता है. अगर आपका हमारे पसंद है तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए. मिलते हैं. जय हिंद, जय भारत.